Hey, welcome to Viva Technologies. In my last video, I have discussed about generative engine optimization, and that is the upcoming search engine optimization trend. In the generative engine optimization, one of the most important segment is ask engine optimization practices. You may confuse about these two terms. One is generative engine optimization, one is ask engine optimization. But I am here to guide you. So don't worry, I am here and I will clear everything in detail. So let's jump into my computer screen. First, we all have to know about what is ask engine optimization. You may confuse about search engine optimization, generative engine optimization, ask engine optimization, but these three are correlated. Previously, search engine optimization was the only one, but right now it has two new wings, and these are generative engine optimization and ask engine optimization. These are not the subset of the total search engine optimization. Rather, these are two important elements in search engine optimization. Don't worry, I am here to guide you. Ask engine optimization is a comprehensive guide to optimize your content, your web content, your video content, your podcast, and other content. It may be text content, it may be written content, it may be graphical content, means image, infographics, and lots of other contents. It may be video content, it may be audio content. Whatever your content is, you have to optimize your content for ask engine optimization, and that is a complete guide. Next, I will come to you how will you optimize these, or why you have to optimize both of them. The first thing, today we use smartphones, smart devices. It may be smartphone, it may be Alexa, it may be Siri, it may be Google Assistant. There are lots of options are there. And when we search something through our voice, that means we input our voice and the voice can bring your answer, and that is the process. And here your website, your content, your video will be ranked through ask engine optimization. You can definitely understand the importance of ask engine optimization is nothing but to rank your content when people search through voice assistants in anywhere. Future VR, virtual reality, and augmented reality will be crucial. You can understand, because today many VR glasses and VR what can I say, tools are available. Siri is there, Alexa is there, Google Gemini is there, ChatGPT is there. There are lots of platforms are there. So every platform tries to amalgamate all the features and the advanced technologies, and that's why you have to make your content fit for the advanced technology, and that is the most important part, and that comes through ask engine optimization. You can say ask engine optimization is a practice to rank your content for voice search. Hope you can understand. Next, I will come to you about what is the definition of ask engine optimization. Basically, ask engine optimization focuses on creating and optimizing content. That is very important. Create, optimize, and curate content. These three are the most important thing. Create content, that is very important, where you have to use search features like questions, and optimize content for those, and curate content for those. Okay, optimize your content to answer user questions directly. For example, suppose you are asking about who is the best digital marketing trainer. The tool, the search engine will answer you a name. It may be Shobhan Ghoshal, as a digital marketing trainer, your host, or it may be anyone, but the answer will be to the point, and that is we are looking for. We don't want to look a paragraph where five names are there. We just want one thing. You may search about the best restaurant or popular restaurant near me. You may search about the best hotels near me, best budget hotels near me. You may search about the best iPhone store near me, or the iPhone store near me, or any Samsung store near me, Google store near me. There are lots of things we are searching, and the search engine must perform with direct answer, and that is the goal of ask engine optimization, and that's why we have to focus on ask engine optimization best practices. Okay, next I will come to you about the scope of our ask engine optimization. First, the many tools are available, many devices are available like Alexa, Siri, Google Home Assistant, all these things. So there are lots of other things. I cannot remember all the names right now, but there are lots of platforms who can bring your answer, bring your content, bring your data to the searchers, to those people who search according to according to your business. Hope you can understand what I mean to say. And that is, the tools are like that, and with the conversational AI, that means they can speak like a human being. That is the prime innovation of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is nothing but an assistant. So he or she can perform, or it can perform like in the conversational method like a human being, and including various chatbots, including tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and lots of other tools are available. Next, I will come to you about the scope. The scope is Siri launched its voice-based searches in 2011. I am using Apple product, and I know how prominent is the product is for giving the answer and to recognize your voice. At the same time, I'm using Google Assistant for the same purpose, and it works fantastic. And I am using Cortana, that is a Microsoft Assistant. It works also fantastic. That means every platform is there to present their content according to the search made by the voice assistant tools or softwares or whatever it is. Next, Google in 2010, 2014, then 2020, mainly the search terms becoming more voice based, because in 2020 there was coronavirus, there was COVID-19. So in during the pandemic period, many people had nothing to do, and they use smartphones. Once upon a time, we need to know English well to type something, because there was no assistant, there was no grammatical tools. But right now it's easily possible because of lots of opportunities are there through your smartphones, through your smart devices, through your laptops, desktops, tablet PCs, all these things. So the wave of voice search comes in 2020 and later 2020, and in 2024 we all know the importance of artificial intelligence, and that is the key. That is the key. Okay, next I will come to you about why AEO, that means ask engine optimization, matters in 2024. First, shifting user behavior, because once upon a time user basically write their questions, basically ask their questions through a written format, but right now they focus on voice based searches. Next, the business benefits. When new opportunity comes, the business benefits come like a wave. Why? See, Today, if you rank your content for those searchers who are looking for your industry, they will definitely come to you. There is a huge opportunity, huge scope. And another important part is the local SEO. First, local SEO, local search engine optimization, integrates AEO. That's very important, because we generally we search restaurant near me, hotels near me, rail station near me, bus station near me. These words we use almost every day, and that's why these businesses we get near us. Okay, next I will come to you about AI driven SEO. Acha, here is a word that is AI driven. AI driven is nothing. AI is a technology and the tools we use in collaboration of both the tools and the strategy. It brings your whole practice as a AI driven, or as an AI driven practice. You can definitely understand the AI driven SEO synergy. That is very important. Okay, so it bridges the gap between traditional search, means which we are searching through written format or through the long form format or the short format, and emerging the conversational platform. Here is a here is an example of traditional search and a conversational search. Traditional search is new smartphones in India or new laptops in India. This is a traditional search. But in conversational search, that is what will be the new laptop of i9 in India. Here you mention more specific terms, and that is the main, that is the key, that is the prime attraction of a conversational search. Or you can ask that chatbot about name 5 laptops which comes with i9 chip or M4 chip, whatever it is, and their price, compare both of them. In this way they can easily present your whole data in a systematic manner, in a summarized version. That is very crucial. But when the traditional searches are there was no option to summarize your whole thing. You have to summarize, or you had to summarize, and you had to choose, you had to pick according to the website information. But here is a short information available for you with a long question. Once upon a time the question was short, the answer was long. Now the question is long and the answer is short and to the point, specific. That is very important, and it is possible only for the artificial intelligence driven practices and strategy, you can say. Now, these are the AEO effectiveness in conversational keywords, feature snippet, structured data schema markup. I will disclose everything later, but not in this video, because I have promised that I will bring a series of search engine optimization or advanced search engine optimization that can guide you to step ahead. Okay, next the mobile and voice optimization, local SEO alignment. I have already told you about the near me. The near me is the most important thing, and near me is a game changer. Next I will come to you about how to optimize AEO. First, identify voice search intent. You have to understand one thing, and that is the search intent. That is the most crucial. Search intent is nothing what people can search, what people may search, what people would search about a product, about a service, or about anything. Then you have to optimize for a conversational language. For optimization you can use 5WH, that is who, what, which, why, how. In this way there are lots of things. I will disclose everything in detail later. Build FAQ pages. You have to add FAQ sections under your content in video content you have to present yourself in the way where people can ask questions and they can get answer from your video. Because today if you notice that some clips of video is available when people search something, not the whole video, clips of video is available, and it is very minimal. It is very not common in every case, but it is coming in future that people search something and they can easily present a video, and they present a clip also, not the whole video and the clip, and it is coming, it is the future. Next, target feature snippets, enhance local search engine optimization and technical readiness. You can understand, or readiness, whatever it is. Essential tools for ask engine optimization. There are lots of tools. Answer the public, which is taken by Neil Patel right now. Google's people also ask, when you search something in Google, there is an option of question. There is a question gallery, you can say, where there are 4 to 5 questions are there in the after your search, and when you click there, it will generate 2 to 3 more questions there, and there many websites ranked. It is an old practice in search engine optimization. When we started our search engine optimization journey in 2000 probably 19, we used the FAQ snippet. We started FAQ snippet, and now it is a compulsory, it is not an optional part, but at the time it was an optional part and it was a ranking factor in 2019-20, but right now it's a compulsory section. And SEMrush is there, Ahrefs is there, Moz is there, lots of tools are available. So I cannot name one or two. Uber Suggest is there, Neil Patel's tool, that's also a premium tool, very good tool. And you have to optimize schema markup and Google page speed. See, in this section, one of the most important segment is Google page speed, or your website's loading time. That is very important, because in voice search people cannot wait for getting the answer. So your website, your platform must have that speed. Okay. Next, the performance tracking. So Google Analytics is there, Adobe Analysis is there, Search Console is there, and lots of platforms are there. Voice Rank 360, that's very important today. Next, I will come to about a brief difference between generative engine optimization and ask engine optimization. In generative engine optimization, it focuses summarization and intent fulfillment, where voice search is a direct answer, means provides a direct answer to the questions. Medium is definitely, so I forgot to use the word Gemini, because till now I am using the word Bard, so it is my mistake, I'm sorry for that. It would be Gemini, not Bard. Google Bard has changed into Gemini. Once upon a time, Google's AdWords, now it is Google Ads. So it's a tricky thing by Google. It always changes its name. I don't know why. Okay, whatever it is Gemini. The generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, whereas voice assistants like Google, Alexa, Siri, and lots of other platforms are available. The content style is long form and exploratory. That means where people can explore many things. It may be a guide, whereas here the concise FAQ and snippet. See, one of the most important voice search practice is the pull in LinkedIn. If you want to rank higher, if you want to establish your authority as a digital marketing expert, you have to produce polls, at least 2 to 3 polls a week, and all the polls must be valuable. People are there to answer, and there is a high chance to build the communication. That's very important. Later I will disclose everything about how you can generate polls, or how you can use AI for generate polls, and how you can grow in LinkedIn, but later. Okay, next the user interaction, and that is the text based and deeper explorations, where it is unspoken and conversational and local queries. The final one is the AI generative results. That means the technology is AI generative results. When you search in Google, you can see there is a generative AI result under the search bar, and it enhances discoverability through schema data. That's very important. Now, here, how and in which way artificial intelligence help your search engine optimization practice to the next level through the AEO strategies. Voice search testing, there are lots of tools. I have already told. Alexa is there, Siri is there, Google Home is there, Google Assistant is there, lots of things. Conversational UX design. Your website must have very conversational design. That means people can go and easily find what is there in your website. The navigation must be very easy to find, and not only it, but also you have to add chatbots. You have to add AI tools to give answer to the questions of the people. It can help you. There are some basic questions. For example, you were running an e-commerce store. So in this case, people may ask about the products availability. People may ask about the discount. People may ask about the products benefits, whatever it is. So you have to answer every question, or same answer to every question. In that scenario, you can use chatbots, and chatbot can answer the basic questions that can help your audience to understand the basic things beyond asking the some critical questions. These are very easy questions. Okay, next, the rich media integration, that is very important, and AI analysis, it's also an important thing. Next, I will come to you about it affects in retail business. I have already told you about e-commerce business. It may be retail business. It affects in healthcare. It affects in educational platform. Not only it, but also there are lots of other businesses. It affects in travel industry. It affects in investment industry, that is called cryptocurrencies, and these are the industries, share market, stock markets, in this scenario. And also in future it will help every business. So this is AEO, Ask Engine Optimization. I am here for you. If you have any question, you can just communicate me. You can just ask me questions. You can mail me. You can WhatsApp me. I am here. I am there to guide you. So thank you for watching this video, and I will come next week with another special video. Till then, be healthy and stay fit.